Morning guys, we're just at the tall ship in Glasgow next to the Riverside Museum today.
It is freezing. It is also called the Glenlee. It's really cool.
The Glenlee. Look at this. A wee cool bell here. Now I'm going to pretend this is a dinner bell because that's basically what I would use it for. Look at the detail in it. Look at the cool wee buckets that they would use to like clean the deck.
Get scrubbing.
I'm not get scrubbing, you get scrubbing.
I've got the right shoes on.
Oh aye. Oh look at this, we just found the hospital.
It's not a very big hospital and there's also a rat in there.
I know, look at that, it's no a big hospital at all. I don't think I'd like to go in there.
Look at the rat on the window.
Oh, there's 3 rats.
Oh.
Wee rat in the window. Wee rat down here. And then some rats in there. Oh, not very nice. So we've just found the toilet. And it doesn't really look that great, does it? Check the size of this anchor.
I've got my mermaid dress on today.
Because you're on a boat?
Because I'm on a boat.
So we've found my favourite place, the kitchen. It's not actually that much food in there.
Oh no, more rats.
Oh, and more rats hiding up the back there. It's quite a small wee kitchen for how many people are going to be on the boat. And Natalie's going to become the captain of the ship.
The wheel is actually bigger than me.
Aye, the wheel's massive, isn't it? This size it.
I'm kind of scared to move it in case the whole boat moves. I'll be honest with you.
On you go, give it a try.
Doesn't move.
Doesn't move. So it is, as Natalie was saying, the Glenlee is what it's called.
That kind of looks like a coffin. What?
Does look a wee bit like a coffin.
What's your step? Oh wow.
Imagine this was your room. It's tiny. I don't know if I'd fit in one of them.
Try.
It'd be very uncomfy. It's all creaky.
It looks like a squeeze without a mattress in.
So this is some of the apprentices on the Glenlee. And then this is their cabin. They look
Some
like
of the apprentices are as young as 14.
14-year-old. Oof. So we're just going into the saloon.
Oh, my favourite type of bath.
Look at that bath.
I could sit in there with a wee bath bomb for hours. You get
And
a
then-
fancy toilet.
This is like the fancy quarters. And I'm presuming this is where he entertained everybody. His quarters obviously look a lot better than the apprentices' quarters. And then it looks like he's got his own wee kitchen. I mean, compared to the kitchen for everybody, this is actually pretty nice.
Some lime juice cordial.
That's
I probably just swore at someone.
I don't think I would like to walk down here. Would you?
No.
So what's in that one? Rice.
Rice.
Oh no. There's a mouse in the rice. Get it out. So just get some of the blocks and tackles here, and this is how they lowered the cargo into the hold. Right, Natalie, shows how the experts do it.
I'm assuming it'd be much heavier and really.
Yeah, I can't see it just being this wee tiny thing like that, but this is essentially how they got all the cargo net down here.
I'm a sailor now.
So this is how they get some of the cargo upstairs.
I got 80 feet high, and they come up between me and the horizon. Now these pictures taken from the lowest yard on the mainmast here, the 6 yards on each mast, and when you get up to the top it is some height. But again, the North Sea sees nothing to what will get off the Horn when you get down that way. But 17 days were spent in the North Sea until finally we got a fair wind and headed down in December down south through the English Channel.
What is this? Is this the... It's not the engine?
No, this is the generating plant.
Right, so this is for all the electricity and that. There's a switchboard on the generating plant. Now going into the engine room. Look at the size of the engines. They are massive, aren't they? Hey guys, wait till you hear the sound of this. Oh, the engines are off a day. Oh. Imagine being stuck down here having to work in this. I wouldn't like to be down here having to maintain all this.